Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a straight line or how you can insert a straight line in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. We need to bring up and open Microsoft Excel first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Then here you just need to simply look at the top and you will find the ribbon. So in the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Now what we can do in order for us to create a straight line, we have to click on the insert tab. And here you will find illustrations. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find shapes. Click on that and here you will find lines. Now we need to choose this one and just simply drag it as to where you would want it to be. Like that. Now, as you can see, it's very thin. So how can we make this larger or increase its size? All you have to do is select the line. You just need to simply press on the line and this tab will appear at the ribbon, the shape format. Now, what you can do, see you will find this shape outline. Click on this arrow. You can also choose the color from here. So let's choose red. Now go back to shape outline, click on this drop down arrow and here you'll find weight or the weight. Now simply click on this and then you just need to simply choose as to how would you want it to be or the thickness. Now let's go with 6 point and that's it. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a straight line in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.